dive into Mind Syrup, your sweet spot for science and technology enlightenment.
Have you ever wondered why storing electricity is such a challenge? In our energy-laden world, efficient storage of electricity is crucial. But it's not a walk in the park. Energy loss is a persistent issue, with some methods losing power as fast as they store it. Then there's the high cost of storage solutions, which often leaves a dent in the pocket. And let's not forget the environmental impact. Yes, the quest for effective electricity storage is fraught with complications. What if I told you there's a new method that could change the game, using something as simple as piles of rocks? Yes, you heard it right. Piles of rocks, or more specifically, gravel. It's not a riddle, it's a revolution in energy storage, thanks to the bright minds at Sandia National Laboratories and CS Soul Power LLC. They've discovered an extraordinary method of storing thermal heat using nothing more than ordinary gravel. Picture this. Gravel, due to its high surface area, behaves much like a big sponge. But instead of absorbing water, it soaks up heat. Engineers heat the gravel to a scorching temperature, and just like a sponge filled with water, this gravel holds onto that heat. This isn't just a flash in the pan either. This technique is incredibly efficient. The heated gravel doesn't merely hold onto the heat for a few minutes or even a few hours. Instead, it keeps its high temperature for an astonishing length of time. Heated to 932 degrees, this gravel can maintain high temperatures for up to 20 hours. Now that's a hot solution to a long-standing problem. Now, you might be thinking, that's great, but what's the big deal? Well, allow me to illuminate the potential impact of this innovative method. This isn't just about storing electricity in a pile of rocks, it's about transforming the very way we view and use energy storage. Imagine a world where electricity storage is not only cost-effective, but also environmentally friendly and highly efficient. That's the promise of this method. The humble gravel, when heated to 932 degrees, acts like a massive thermal sponge, maintaining high temperatures for an impressive 20 hours. This means energy, once stored, can be tapped into whenever needed, bringing us a step closer to round-the-clock renewable energy. But the story doesn't end there. The sheer scalability of this method is staggering. From small-scale domestic applications to large-scale industrial uses, it opens up a world of possibilities. It's not just about the electricity we use to light our homes or power our devices, but also the energy that fuels our factories, runs our hospitals, and powers our cities. The implications for renewable energy sources are significant. The sun doesn't always shine, and the wind doesn't always blow, but with a reliable storage solution like this, we can harness their energy when available and use it when needed. This could dramatically increase our reliance on these clean, green sources of power, reducing our carbon footprint and paving the way for a more sustainable future. So next time you see a pile of rocks, remember, it might just be the future of electricity storage.
Cherish knowledge, give a thumbs up, hit subscribe, explore science and tech.